And you've probably seen the title by now that we're going to be doing iPhone 11 Pro Max smart battery case. I actually just came back from Korea a couple of hours ago and I managed to get the smart battery case because at the time of this video, this doesn't exist in Malaysia yet. I actually purchased it from the Apple store in Korea. As you can see, it retails for 169,000 won, which is around 599 ringgit. I mean, it's way more expensive than Malaysia itself because Malaysia is only selling this for 539 if I'm not mistaken. But I'm doing this so I can give you guys an early view of the smart battery case and its new feature. Without further ado, let's get this case unboxed. So I'm really excited to try this case out because I've actually used the smart battery case for the iPhone XS Max and the case was really good, it held up very well, and also the battery life for the phone was on average 2 days or 1.5 days. I didn't have to really worry about how I actually use my device. I mean, not to say that the iPhone 11 Pro Max has bad battery life, but it has really good battery life. But this makes it a whole new beast on its own because number one, we don't have to manage when to charge the iPhone because the smart battery case, as you can see the name smart battery case, it manages the charging all by itself. With iOS 13.2, the smart battery case is very well integrated into the whole ecosystem, so you do not have to worry about the whole process and procedure of charging your device. Okay, so let's get this bad boy open. So you can see I haven't even pulled the tab. Let me get this camera to focus. You can see, let me pull the tab right here. Okay, so fresh out of the box. Okay, so what you get in the package is actually the smart battery case itself. Let me take that out of the box. So I'll also be showing you how to install the case. Let's take everything out so you can see Apple documentation. You can see smart battery case right here. What else do we have? You can see how to install the case or how to install the phone in the case. And what else? We have two more guides, which is actually the smart battery case regulatory compliance information and one in Korean, I guess. So I'm not going to read that. Let's get into the case itself. You can see more instructions on how to install. I mean, most likely people won't be reading the instructions right here, so most likely this will be the guide which most people will use. So you can see the case is very similar to the XS version. I mean, I don't have it lying around now, so we only have this. So it's almost the same features, in fact, I should say. This provides 50% more battery life as what Apple claims. And basically everything's the same. I wouldn't be surprised if the iPhone XS Max actually fits into this case because, I mean, they're exactly the same dimensions. You can see it charges via lightning port. You can see all the cutouts are definitely precise because it's a first party accessory anyway. So this lightning port supports Apple lightning ear ports. You can see on the left side the volume buttons right here and also the cutout for the mute switch, so very nice. On the right side, same affair, power button. Okay, what's new on this case is that nice camera button right here, very nice and tactile. Let me bring near the mic so you can hear it for yourself. Very nice and tactile. I'll be showing you how it works in a moment. So let's get this phone installed. So you can see right here, you actually push the top portion of this case back and then slot in your phone. So it's very simple procedure. Slot it in, make sure it lines up, and you're good to go. Of course, not forgetting to mention that this case actually supports wireless charging, so you can actually wireless charge this case, and it gives priority to the phone, of course. So the phone charges first, then only the battery case. So you can see that it's already begun charging. So you can see right here, the case has 1% of charge. Fits, of course, perfectly. Even the cutout right here, very nice. The buttons, very tactile. It's not going to block up the speaker or the microphone port. So overall, very nice case. So let me show you how the camera shortcut works. So Let me press and hold. You can see camera right here, so I can actually just press and take a photo, or hold and get a quick take video. So you can hold it and get a quick take video. Very easy and convenient, especially coming from the lock screen. You can actually hold it and it goes right to the camera with no delays. So if you do want to catch that shot, you definitely can with this battery case. So it doesn't operate by Bluetooth as other cases with the shutter button, because it uses the lightning port to control all the functions of this case with no hassle at all. Just plug in your phone to this case, slot it in, and you're good to go. Alright, so that's my very quick unboxing and test of the iPhone 11 Pro Max Smart Battery Case. I'll be doing more tests in a couple of days. So thanks guys for watching. If you did like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. So I'll see you guys in the next video.